It's time to wake up and fight for what's right. In a world where division seems louder than unity, where misunderstanding overshadows empathy, and where inequality persists, we have a choice: to stay silent or to stand for something greater. We are better when we are united, not divided. Differences in race, religion, gender, or background shouldn't separate us. They should strengthen us. Equality, inclusion, tolerance, and understanding aren't just buzzwords. They're foundations for a better world. But unity doesn't happen by accident. It takes courage to challenge injustice, empathy to listen deeply, and understanding to see beyond our own experiences. Change starts when we stop seeing us versus them and start seeing we. Unity builds what division destroys. A world built on equality and empathy lifts everyone. What action can you take today to foster understanding and unity? Have one conversation this week with someone who holds a different perspective. Listen without judgment. Listen to understand. Drop a line in the comments if you're ready to stand for unity and equality. Don't forget to like and share this message. Divided, we fall. United, we rise. The future depends on us. Together. It's time to work on your purpose.